I guide you to make playlist on YouTube. So let's open the YouTube first. From there, you need to go for any of the video. So let's say I'm tapping over this. And now if you scroll like this, you could find the save option here. So let's tap on save. And after tapping on save here, that is by defaultly will be saved to the watch later. So now if you make a playlist, if you need to do that, you need to tap on the change option here. And the very top, you could find the new playlist option. So let's tap over there and let's name that playlist as PC, which means the Priyanka Chopra. So, and I'm tapping on that will be go ahead into the private. So you could change it wherever, even the public or unlisted. So I'm going for the private and I can tap on the create here. You could see the playlist has been created. And now if I need to view that playlist, I need to tap on the U here, and in the playlist option, you could find view all button. So let's tap over that. In the very top, you could find PC Queen, which now just I have made that playlist. This is how you make playlist on YouTube. Thank you.